back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Today, I just wanted to share to you guys how I did or how I am making or preparing my deep fried chicken strips. Yeah, so ingredients are just simple, and this is easy to prepare. Of course, we have here the chicken breast, and then for marination or marinated ingredients, I am using the egg, and then the garlic, the black pepper, the salt, and last thing is that the flour. Okay, so later I have here as my sauce, I am using the red sauce or the ketchup, or if you like, you can use as well sweet chili sauce, yeah, something like that, or barbecue sauce or mayonnaise, something like that. Yeah, so this recipe is very simple and ingredients are just affordable, and of course it's easy and quick to prepare. It's just you just marinated the chicken breast, of course the strip one, and then just deep fried and just easy. Yeah, so please stay tuned and let me show you how I prepared it, and enjoy watching as well, guys. So see you soon, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And now I'm trying to show you how I prepare my deep fried chicken strips, yeah, in my own version. Of course, I have here the chicken breast, yeah. And then first thing is that I am slicing it in a strip, yeah. Just thin. You can do whatever you want. I mean, how many, because me for now I am using 2 chicken breast, yeah, so you can double the size if you like, especially if you are many. So just that, yeah, strips, yes, something like that, yeah, see, yes, this is very simple and of course easy to prepare. Just marinate and then deep fried. Yeah. My kids and husband love this so much. The first time I've made this is that they are surprised. They don't believe that it's me who did it. Okay. Just that. Yeah. Okay. Mm. This is the thing that I like it in this chicken strip is that it's crispy after I made it as, I mean, deep fried, yeah. And it's, of course, after the cooking, you need to serve it hot. And with the with the red sauce or sweet chili, something like that. Yeah. So there you go. There you go. Just make it or slice it thin, yeah. Yeah. Takes time in slicing. There you go. Yeah. So for now, it's already done the slicing, and next is that we need to marinate it. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in a bit, guys. Hi guys, welcome back again. And then now we are here for the chicken strip for us to marinate it. Of course, I need to put it in the mixing. And then first is that I am putting it with garlic, yeah, powder. I am just using powder. Yeah. And then of course, salt. And black pepper. Then next is the beaten egg. And then I am putting it with flour. First, I need to mix this. Yeah. Next is that I am putting it with flour. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. To marinate it. Yeah. So, diba? Yes. And you know guys, last thing is that I am putting it as well with the breadcrumbs. Yeah. Breadcrumbs. So that it's crispy after the deep fried. Yeah. So here how it looks. Yes. So next step is that it's time for us to deep fry the chicken strips. Okay. So see you in a bit, guys.
What's this?
Hello guys, once again, welcome back. This time, it's time for me to deep fry, yeah. So I heat the oil in the pan. And then, of course, we need to wash our hands first, yeah. And then I am slowly putting it Yeah, one by one, something like that. Yeah. This is just very easy and very simple. Ayan. So, yeah, you see? We are starting to light brown. There you go. And after they are ready, I'm just putting it here with the uh, kitchen roll, yeah. There you go. This one is getting okay soon, yes. Light brown. If we are making it as a deep fried po, we always make sure that the oil is very hot, yeah. Okay, so this one is getting okay na po, yes. I'm adding it more because it has space, to make use of the space. Yeah, and let it fried until it's light brown, so that it will be crispy, yeah. So we just need to be patient when it comes to preparing this kind of chicken strips. So see you in a bit, guys. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned as well. So welcome back, guys. This is already I did it for 3 times, yeah. So this is how it looks like, my deep fried chicken strips. So let me show you how I did it for my presentation. Okay, so see you in a bit, guys. Please stay tuned. Thank you. Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is already the uh, finished menu for today that I have made, which is the deep fried chicken strips. Yeah. So I just put it with the basil leaves on top. Yeah, for my presentation. And then of course the lemon, yeah. So this recipe is very simple and of course quick, yeah, and very affordable, very easy, of course, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed my video for today. And of course, the last one is that I am just putting it now with red sauce or tomato ketchup, or you can have it as well if you like sweet chili or barbecue sauce, yeah, something like that, yeah. So if you are still new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And please don't forget to click the bell button for you to be updated in my more videos to come, okay? So thank you guys for watching once again, and hope you enjoyed my simple recipe for today, which is the stir fried the deep fried chicken strips, yeah. It's my own version, okay? So it's simple and easy to prepare, okay? So thank you guys for watching once again, and hope you will have a good day, and see you in my next video. And so it's time for me to say bye for now.